Can a simple swipe completely change a painting? Let's find out. Welcome to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'm creating a fluid art acrylic bloom on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using cerulean blue, tropical blue, pink, silver, and white. I start with a split pour of cerulean blue and pink. Then I layered silver, white, tropical blue, pink, and some more cerulean blue into the center of the design. Fluid art is a form of abstract painting that uses flowing acrylic paint to create movement and unique patterns. Acrylic pouring is one of the most popular fluid art techniques where paint is poured onto a canvas and manipulated through tilting, air, or other methods to create a one-of-a-kind design. One of the things I'm looking forward to see is how these colors interact with one another. The cerulean blue, tropical blue, pink, silver, and white have the potential to create a beautiful balance between softness and contrast. But in fluid art, you never know exactly what will happen until the paint begins to move. I have an idea where I hope the painting will go, but part of the excitement comes from allowing the colors to surprise me and reveal something unexpected along the way. I wanted this painting to feel balanced while still allowing room for unexpected movement and details to emerge. One of the most recognizable techniques in fluid art is the bloom. A bloom is created by using air, often from a blow dryer, to push layers of paint outward from a central point. As the paint expands, it creates flowing ribbons of color, soft transitions, and intricate details that resemble petals, feather, or organic forms. What makes bloom so fascinating is that no two are ever exactly alike. Small differences in paint consistency, color placement, and airflow can create completely different results, making each bloom a unique experience. At this stage, I decided to add a little more paint to the composition. Don't be afraid to add more paint if you feel the design needs additional color, movement, or balance. Sometimes it improves the painting and sometimes it doesn't, but experimentation is one of the best ways to learn. Fluid art is often a process of trial and error. Every adjustment teaches you something about how the paint behaves, helping you to build confidence and experience with each new pour. To create a focal point, I use my fingers to swipe through the center of the bloom. A focal point is an area that naturally draws the viewer's attention and helps create visual interest within the composition. Once I was happy with the design, I tilted the canvas to stretch the paint and gain a little more control over the final composition. I then cleaned the sides, checked for imperfections, and used the torch to remove air bubbles and finish the painting. One of the things I enjoyed most about this fluid art pour is finding the balance between letting the paint move freely and making small adjustments that help guide the final result. Final result is a vibrant abstract bloom filled with movement, layers, and intricate details. The central swipe creates a focal area that draws the eye inward, while the surrounding colors continue to flow outward across the canvas. I would like to say thank you for painting with me today. If you enjoyed this fluid art acrylic pouring video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.